Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today we're going to discuss backflow prevention. Backflow prevention, also commonly referred to by the device itself, a backflow preventer, is a process used to protect potable drinking water from contamination or pollution. As the word implies, this contamination comes from water backflowing into the water supply lines. The Environmental Protection Agency mandates that water providers such as municipalities require their customers to have backflow preventers. As part of these requirements, water providers may require backflow preventers to be inspected at least annually to ensure proper operation. A backflow preventer is basically a mechanism to prevent backflow utilizing a physical barrier. There are a number of backflow prevention devices or styles. These devices are composed of seals, springs, and other moving parts. From their continual use, all these parts are subject to normal wear and tear and thus need regular inspection. This is an example of a backflow preventer for an irrigation system. Note the water flow in and the valve or flap that would shut if the flow of inbound water was stopped. These preventers are usually located at cross-connecting points at which water systems connect with non-potable water systems. Backflow preventers are commonly located at fire sprinkler systems and lawn sprinkler systems. A question arises of how can backflow happen on pressurized water supply lines. This is considering that most all municipalities or county water is delivered via pressurized water lines. How a backflow can happen is if water pressure is interrupted by a broken water line or exceptionally high water uses. This reduced pressure in the water lines can suction contaminated water back into the fresh water supply. This is known as back siphonage. For example, fertilizer could have contaminated a lawn sprinkler water supply line through their sprinkler heads.